There's this one job that AI can't do yet, but it's only a matter of time before it happens. So you should learn this skill while you still can. It's one of the most valuable skills out there. And if you don't have it, your income is going to be directly affected. As you might know, AI is taking over many different industries. For example, Walmart recently announced that they will be closing 100 stores and firing 1,200 employees because of this new AI technology. In another example, a new AI tool just destroyed one of the biggest financial institutions in the world. They literally fired their entire real estate division, which is over 3,000 employees. The reason is simple. This new tool can generate a property valuation instantly with high accuracy, which makes the 3,000 employees completely obsolete. But despite all of these crazy examples, there's still one job that AI can't replace yet. But if you don't have this skill, AI will replace you. So let me ask you this question. Are you good at adapting to new environments? You see, when we first started to use tools like ChatGPT, the general sentiment was that it would make our jobs easier, not take away our jobs. However, now that we have seen how quickly AI has evolved, we are starting to realize that it will soon be able to perform almost any task that a human can do. And when that happens, people who are good at adapting to new environments will thrive, while everyone else will get left behind. If you think this idea is far-fetched, then just look at the banking industry. 20 years ago, banks were filled with people doing complex calculations by hand. Then suddenly computers came around and pretty much replaced all of them. But the people who knew how to use those computers were in such high demand that they could easily find new jobs. The same thing happened when smartphones became popular. Suddenly all the BlackBerry employees got rich because they knew how to build these new devices. And now the same thing is happening again with AI. The people who know how to use it are in high demand. So if you want to future-proof yourself, you need to learn this skill as well. Luckily for you, it's actually not that hard to learn, especially if you already have some experience with technology. If you can use Google or write basic formulas in Excel, then trust me, you won't have any issues learning how to use AI tools. For example, you can start by simply using ChatGPT to do your work. For example, if you're a writer, you can use it to generate text. If you're an artist, you can use it to generate images. And if you're a coder, you can use it to generate code. And the best part is that you don't even have to pay for it because you can access it for free. However, if you really want to take advantage of AI, you need to learn how to use more advanced tools like MidJourney or Adobe Firefly. These tools are not free, but they are very easy to use. They have user-friendly interfaces where you can simply drag and drop files and instantly get a different output. Plus, they are extremely powerful. So once you learn how to use them, you will be able to create things that were never possible before. The best part is that these tools are not just fun to use, they are also extremely useful. For example, MidJourney can generate realistic images of places that don't exist, so you can use it to sell NFTs or even start your own business. Similarly, Adobe Firefly can generate realistic videos of people saying things that they have never said before. So the possibilities are truly endless. This is why I say that the skill of using AI tools is the #1 skill that you need to learn if you don't want to get replaced by AI. So please don't ignore this warning. Start learning how to use AI today so that you can protect your income and set yourself up for success in the future. By the way, don't forget to show some love. If you found this helpful, tap that like button and comment below. Let me know what you think. And if you're new here, subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.